everyone, I'm Chris at Laminex, and this is our 4-inch by 8-inch sheet of our yellow transparent protective film, also known as yellow Laminex, which is a strong, impact-resistant protective film that is designed for an easy peel and stick DIY installation. You apply it directly onto a light or any smooth surface where you like to project a yellow color. And not only does it look awesome with the lights off or on, the yellow Laminex actually has some really cool features and benefits. Laminex is 4 times thicker than a standard vinyl sticker, yet it is cushioned and pliable. It is designed to take the impacts from sandblasting or small stones, so instead of the lens or surface being damaged, the Laminex takes the abuse. It also has self-healing properties, so some of that abuse can actually clear up with time and heat. Another feature is that it has over 3 times the amount of adhesive than a standard vinyl sticker, which makes for a very forgiving installation. You can apply and reapply many times during the initial installation to get perfect results. Also, if you already have a little bit of wear and tear on the lens or surface, our adhesive can mold into those imperfections and actually makes it look better. Because this Laminex projects a bright yellow light color, it doesn't reflect off of dust, fog, or snow like a standard white light does. Therefore, you have greater and safer visibility into the distance during those inclement conditions. This 4-inch by 8-inch sheet can be applied and custom trimmed to fit onto nearly any smooth surface, even if it has some curves. We manufacture this product 100% here in the USA. We give you a 5-year quality guarantee for reassurance. If you have any questions, then send us a message. We'll be happy to help. We know you'll be super satisfied with the quality, durability, and looks of your yellow Laminex. Thank you for your consideration of Laminex products. Have a great day.